Want to sneak some greens into your day in the most delicious way? I've got a great recipe for you. Today, we're making a moist and flavorful gluten-free zucchini bread. Let's get baking. In a large bowl, let's combine the gluten-free flour, almond flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Mix well. Now add the grated zucchini, coconut oil, honey, and vanilla extract and eggs. Give it another good mix. Some recipes may say to squeeze out excess water from the zucchini, but I've never done it in this recipe and it always comes out perfect. This may not look very appetizing right now, but just wait until we pull it out of the oven. Look at this beautiful loaf. This was baked at 350 degrees for 55 minutes and I let it sit here to cool for about 15 minutes. It is so moist and fluffy. I can't wait to dig in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipes. Let me know in the comments how your zucchini bread turns out. Thanks for watching and happy baking!